Okay, here we're trying to find the internal resistance of the oscilloscope. So here we have our 50 ohm resistor, and notice it's not connected to anything. This is the open circuit setup, and as you can see now, I've adjusted the voltage so that it's basically peak to peak. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divisions, and it's at 1 volt per division. So we basically have 8 volts peak to peak. And so that's your open circuit voltage. Now what we need to do is connect one of our grounds to the opposite edge of the resistor. So now the voltage is across the resistor, and because this has an internal scope, the ground is the same. So we don't have to connect both grounds. If you're using an external function generator, then you would have to connect both grounds there. And if you look over here, now our voltage is how many divisions? So we can move our position down so that we're starting at this bottom is at the bottom line, and then we can move our position over to the right. So now we're at the divided line, and so it's basically 1, 2, 3, 4 divisions. So now we haven't changed this, so we're basically at 8 volts, and so we have the internal resistance is about 50 ohms, the same as the thing from the voltage divider. Two other buttons you can play with. Down here is your intensity, and here's your focus. So you want to adjust the focus till you get as sharp as line as possible, and then you can adjust the intensity. That's all the way down. So you want as sharp of line as possible. So you want that gives you as accurate as possible. It's a little harder to see, but you can see now more clearly that it's a thinner line, so you can see where it is.